like, I know she's drinking.
Yeah, I mean, there's a truly under the seat, so come on now.
We didn't know. We did not.
Not supposed to be having drinks, y'all.
I ain't do shit.
So here are the rest of them. You guys just got to get where you're going first before you start drinking, okay?
Yes, sir. Well, we were not drinking.
I got you. Just hang out, okay?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Sheriff, I'm just going to take you, okay? So what? I'm just going to detain you for a second, alright?
It's 25.
Well, the reason I'm saying you is there's a gun in the center console. It's not illegal to have it there. I got you. It ain't illegal to have it there, but you're just being detained, alright? Because you're not telling me there's a gun in the car. You got people in the car with you with drinks. Alright? We got a bunch of minor things where they add up, so I'm just detaining you for a second, okay?
People around and not...
I got you. Are you over right now, or are you friends with all of them?
Yeah, we're going to the club right now.
So you're friends with all of them now?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. Just walk to the front of my car, okay? Just stand over there.
That's my gun.
Okay, I got
It's
you.
clean, it's clean.
I believe you.
I'm on probation.
You just a passenger. You can't leave, and I ain't worried about you, okay?
Yes,
Just
sir.
hang out.
Yes,
Alrighty?
sir. Bye-bye.
White residue in that bag as well. It doesn't look like we're gonna have anything substantial so far, but there's definitely been narcotics in this car.
I'm just making sure that you know, like, I don't want to get in trouble. Stop talking to me. Like, because I got my probation officer on speed dial. I got my probation officer on speed dial. Did you find anything?
Problem.
Did you find anything?
You can't get in the car. No, you're good. Have a seat. Get in the car. Take a breath. You're gonna be okay.
I've had a stalker for 3 days and I'm just terrified.
Take the girl. This one. In the car. You're okay.
Don't touch me.
Can you go back to my car for me, please?
Can you give me a person?
Diana's going to see this shit.
There you go. You're okay.
I don't do drugs. I don't do anything.
I don't think you do either. Have me in the car though, okay? Yeah, this had cocaine in it as well. There's a reaction to the inside of that bottle. So it seems like it's going to be a DMV issue over the plate. The tag comes back to a different vehicle. His registration, insurance, everything makes sense. But he's going to contact the DMV and get that figured out. I'm going to write him a ticket for the open tank.
It's sliding. And I got a bloody runny nose on my word. Oh, man. I'm sick. A runny nose. And it's bleeding now.